Early bird special. Got a 1995. You know, you see it. Go ahead and put this in the coin collection. Look at that. The inkjet spray all on it. Also, I got a 2003. I'm just keeping it because of the years of the series of the years. That's all. 2003, it got years on it. All that extra stuff, all this money and all that, how much it gonna be, I'm not thinking about that. It's about the years for me. Another 2003, the inkjet spray on it too, you know. And also I got this 2009, same thing, Anchor, you know, 2009, out of $70 worth, you know what I'm saying, but it's cool, it's cool. Early bird, the lady said she had 35, why not? Why not go ahead and get them all? Maybe I get some out of the deal, but they going right in the note. When currency stop, holler at your boy.